What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 28 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this Vision XL 31UL. This RV is by Entegra Coach, and it is perfect for couples. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Entegra Vision XL 31UL. Before we tour this RV, let's take a look at the specs. So, this RV has a gross vehicle weight rating of 22,000 pounds, a total exterior length of 33 feet, a total width of 8.5 feet, and a total height, including the AC and satellite, is 12 feet 10 inches. And this RV has a total interior height of 84 inches. So let's go ahead and start on the outside, and then we'll make our way inside. So on this RV, you have a slide out on the camp side. This RV sits on the Ford 7.3 liter V8 chassis. And then let's check out the opposing campsite, where you have a lot of underbelly storage compartments such as this one, and then you have another one here. Now this one is a partial pass-through storage, so it's not fully open because this RV is a gas motorhome, so the chassis runs down the center. You also have a generator on this RV, which is a really nice feature to have in case you want to pull into a parking lot and run your whole RV. And then over here you have a compartment for the black tank and gray tank. And then you have frameless windows on this RV, and you have slide toppers on both of these slide outs, and you even have frameless windows in the interior side of the slide out. And then you have your water connections here with the hole in the floor to run your hose out, and then you've got your fuel tank input. Heading to the back of this RV, you've got a window on the back for the bedroom, and then you have a trailer hitch that can tow 5,000 pounds and has a tongue weight capacity of 500 pounds. Then you have a ladder on the back to get up on the roof to do maintenance, and then heading over to the campsite, you've got a large awning as well as another underbelly storage area, and then you have a TV up above that. Now this latch, you just push it in, it flips down, and then you can pull up on it, and this right here is a 40-inch TV. You have outdoor speakers as well as an outlet. So it's nice to have this designated entertainment area that you can just open it up to use it and close it when you're done. Then you have your onboard propane tank as well as your batteries. Then you have your furnace, and this RV has a 2-year limited and a 3-year structural warranty. And then this RV has a slide out on the campsite. I'm not sure if I like the slide out though, because it takes up quite a bit of space on the campsite. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And then you have some more baggage doors underneath for underbelly storage. But let's go ahead and head inside of this RV. Alright, so when you first walk into this RV, you've got a dinette and theater seating. You've got a large cabinet above the entry door, and then over to the dinette. This dinette has seat belts. You have a table that drops down, a sound bar, and then you have your switch for the televator. And then you have the Euro style windows with a blackout shade on the top and a pull-up screen on the bottom. And then you have some cabinets up above, and then heading up to the front cab, you have really nice, comfortable leather seats, and then you have the dash of the 7.3 liter V8 Ford chassis. Then you have this pull-out tray as well as a GFCI outlet. Then you've got a cup holder, and then you also have USB ports. And then up front you have a display screen that has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Below that are some controls for your AC, and then you have some cup holders. And then you have your electric stabilizing controls, and then above the cab is a bunk that drops down into a bed. You've got a speaker, and then this right here is a false cabinet, and next to that is a small size cabinet. But this right here is a large queen size bed that drops down from the ceiling. Across from the dinette, you have these theater seats. Now they do have seat belts, so you could sit here when going down the road. Then you have a large window, and then a lot of cabinet space up above. Next to that is this huge kitchen. Now this right here is a slide out, so this slide, the kitchen slides over top of part of the countertop. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments if this is something that you think might break, or if it's a great idea. And then you've got a lot of pull-out cabinets. And then you have this large pull-out drawer beneath the cabinet that's great for putting pots and pans in it. And then you have a oven with a 3-burner cooktop. And this RV has solid surface countertops. And then above the stove, you have a residential size microwave as well as large cabinets on all sides of it. And then over here, you have another cabinet. Now this right here has adjustable shelves. Then you have a large farmhouse sink. I don't want to open it up because it's got antifreeze on it. And then beneath the sink, you have a good amount of cabinet space. Now, these cabinets don't have handles. They have this little groove because when the slide out would come in, it would hit handles. So it's really neat that they used a different style to still give you the cabinet space. And then over here, you have a large residential refrigerator. You've got the ice maker and the water cup fill, and then you have a freezer on the one side, and then you have the fridge on the other side, and you also have some shelves inside of the doors. Alright, now let's head to the back and check out this bathroom. So this right here is a mid-bath, so you have the shower on one side and then you have the bathroom on the other side. And this door actually opens up and connects to the wall here with a magnet to close off the space. So this right here is kind of what it would look like. You do have a little bit of a gap, but that is kind of what it would look like whenever it's closed. And then from the bedroom side, it's pretty much the same thing where it closes and it blocks off the space. Let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. So in this bathroom, you have a porcelain foot flush toilet, and then you have this large vanity with a lot of countertop space and cabinet space up above, and then you have a large window as well as a vent fan. Alright, now let's check out the back bedroom where you have a full king-size bed with a lot of cabinet space up above. Check out all of that pass-through space. And then you have windows on each side of the slide out, and then across from the bed you have this huge dresser with a TV, and then check out all of this cabinet space. Now there's one on each side, and beneath that you have drawers. They're not as deep, but there's still a lot of space. And then beneath the TV you have this drop down cabinet, and then you have these really large pull out drawers. And the bedroom is closed off by a sliding barn door, and the barn door does have a lock. Alright, so that is going to do it for the tour of this Entegra Vision XL31UL. What do you guys think about this RV? Do you think it's a great option for couples? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this RV tour, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the road.